Hello friends, today I am going to teach you about Boolean operators. We will study about three operators. There are non-operator, AND operator and OR operator. First of all, we start with NOT operator. NOT operator is generally denoted by bar sign. That means if any of A is any operator, then its not operator is A bar. We read it as A not. Now let's see how NOT operator works. NOT operators convert the binary number 0 into 1 and the 1 into 0. That means if the input is 0, then we get the output is 1, and then if the input is 1, then the output is 0. Now what is the meaning of 0 and what is the meaning of 1? We have to know this. 0 means low voltage and 1 means high voltage. And high voltage means not 1000 volt or 10,000 volts. High voltage means nearly equal to 5 volts and low voltage means nearly equal to 0 volts. That means if the input is low, if the input is low voltage, then we get high voltage output. And in not operator, if the input is high voltage, then we get the output as low voltage. This is the all description about not operator. And now let's I will tell you about AND operator. An operator is generally denoted by dot sign, or many times we use nothing. That means if any operation between any two variables a and b is denoted by y is equal to a dot b, or it may be written as ab. We didn't read it as a dot b, we read it as a and b, not a dot b. Now let's see how AND operator works. You can understand AND operator from this table. You can see in this table there are two inputs a and b, and the output is a dot b. That means a and b, the AND operation between a and b. Now if any one of the two input is 0, that means any one of the two input is low voltage, then we get the output as low voltage. And if both the inputs are high voltage, then we get high voltage as output. Here you can see both the inputs are low voltage, then we get output as low voltage. Here a is 0 and b is 1, and then also the output is 0. Here a is 1 and b is 0, then the output is 0. But in the last both are 1, then we get the output as 1. This is the all descriptions about AND operator. Now we going to tell you about OR operator. OR operator is denoted by plus sign. It is denoted by plus sign, and we write OR operation between any two variables a and b as a equal to a or b. We read it as y is equal to a or b, not a plus b. And I'm going to tell you about this OR operation by same kind of table. Here you can see the table. Here are two inputs a and b, and the output is y, that is equal to a or b. Now here you can see that if any of the one input is 1, then we get the output as 1. That means if any one of the input is high voltage, then we get high voltage, and when both the inputs are low voltage, then we get the low voltage. Here you can see a is 0 and b is 0, then we get the output as 0. Here a is 0 and b is 1, then the output is 1. Here a is 1, b is 0, then the output is also 1. And when both the inputs are 1, then the output is also 1. That means if any one of the input is high voltage, then we get the output is high voltage. These are the all description about or operator and not operator. I think you guys like the video, and if you like it, please comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.